Optimum Mobile, being a prepaid service, offers a relatively straightforward cancellation process. You can cancel your service through the Optimum app, website, or by calling customer service. Simply log into your account via the app, navigate to Account Settings, and select Cancel Service. Alternatively, log into your account on the Optimum website, navigate to Account Settings, and select Cancel Service. You can also cancel by calling customer service at 1-866-200-9318. You'll need to provide a reason for cancellation and confirm your details. Cancellation is effective immediately, though your service may continue until the end of your current billing cycle. Remember to back up any important data before canceling, as access to the service will be terminated. As of April 2025, Optimum has streamlined this process with a new online portal, reducing wait times. To keep your phone number when canceling Optimum Mobile, you need to request a porting authorization code, or PAC, during the cancellation process. You can request this code through the Optimum app or by calling customer service. Once you have the PAC, provide it to your new carrier within 7 to 14 days. Optimum doesn't charge any porting fee, though your new carrier might add a small one. Make sure your Optimum SIM card stays active during the process, which typically takes 2 to 10 business days to prevent any service gaps. Since Optimum Mobile operates on prepaid plans, there are generally no early termination fees when you cancel. However, it's important to ensure you've paid off any outstanding balances, such as charges for exceeding your data or minute limits. Your final bill will include prorated charges for the month you canceled, plus any unused data or minutes and applicable taxes. It will be sent to you by email or mail within 30 days after cancellation. Be sure to pay any outstanding amounts promptly, as unpaid bills can negatively impact your credit score. If you've overpaid, refunds are typically processed within 7 to 10 days.